I'm going over a statistics homework problem in this video, 7.4.13. Mainly, I do want to show you how to find standardized test statistic and the p-value. Okay, so I'm going to click on the similar question, and this is the one that I got. Research center claims that 27% of adults in a certain country would travel into space on a commercial flight if they could afford it. In a random sample of 800 adults in that country, 29% say that they would travel into space on a commercial flight if they could afford it. At alpha equals 0.01, is there enough evidence to reject the research center's claim? So what's being claimed over here? They are claiming that 27% of adults in the country would travel into space on a, so wordy, but that's what they are claiming, right? They are saying, hey, it is 27%. So the claim is equal to 27%. So that's going to be my null hypothesis. So I'm going to say that the P, the probability, the proportion that we are trying to estimate is 0.27. We're going to say that it's equal to 0.27. But when I read this problem, they didn't say they believe that it is greater than 27% or less than 27%. So I'm just going to go ahead and go with the two-sided test. So make the null to be equal to 0.27. Make the alternative to be not equal to 0.27. Okay. When Jenny emailed me, I saw that Jenny got these parts already. But this is the part that she wanted to ask about. Standardized test statistic. This is what you're going to do. So open up your StatCrunch. We're trying to work with proportion here. So go to Stat, Proportion Stat, do one sample with summary. This is where you will go. And type in the number of observations. There were 800 adults in this sample. What was the success? Now, they did mention that it was 29% of these 800 people. So what I'm doing is 800 times 29%, and that comes out to be 232 people. So out of 800 people, 232 people will go into a space travel. I would totally, I don't know, maybe, I don't know, it doesn't sound safe. But now what were we testing? The hypothesis was that the P is equal to 0.27, and the alternative was not equal to. So this is what you're going to have to enter, and that's all you're going to have to do. Click on compute. They're going to give you that the z-stat, okay, is 1.27, okay? This is how you can find the standardized test statistic. And the p-value is 0.2026 for my problem, but yours may be a little bit different. But round carefully to 3 decimal places, and let's interpret this p-value. The p-value is too big. It's 0.203. We wanted it to be smaller than 0.01. We're going to have to say fail to reject the null hypothesis. There's not enough evidence to support, there's not enough evidence to reject the claim, And that is it for this problem.